So finally, a new challenge by the Gemini Academy APAC edition is live. What is this challenge? Everything will cover in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. So you must have watched the video which I posted yesterday and day after yesterday that we have to complete some of the tracks. Means if you are interested in any one of the track, you have to complete all the code labs in it and submit one project. Also, you have to complete the subsequent track quizzes. Okay, you can see they are the quizzes. You have to complete any one track if you are completing. See, first of all, you need to understand you have to complete any one track minimum. Like you can complete a track 1 or track 2 or track 3 or all. So this is the important thing. First of all, you need to know. Now here, the new challenge is that weekend submission challenge. So they'll be shortlisting participants who submit their projects over the weekend. So you have to submit the project, which projects you have to submit, how to submit, and how to get everything very easily. I'll tell you, do not worry about it. So here the challenge video is from 28th of March to 29th of March. Okay, so it will start from tomorrow, but do not panic at all. We have covered everything for you. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to just complete all the code labs. Okay, then you have to complete all the quizzes. After that, how we'll find the project? So suppose you want to complete track 1 project, you have to just scroll down, and here you can see this is the problem statement. So you have to build a simple agent. Okay, you have to build a simple agent which does only one task. Okay, you can combine all the tasks, but minimum one task is compulsory. Like it summarizes your text, it just answers some of the common questions. Like you ask what is the weather of today, so it will answer it, or just simply routing the request based on the response logic. So like this, you have to make a project and do the submission on the submission page. On the submission page, we have to attach a PPT. Okay, and just update your Cloud Run link where the application is hosted. So you have to complete it, and if you complete this challenge, you'll be notified and you'll be getting a chance to win gift card. So here, if you submit early, then your chances of getting the gift card is more because they want. We are shortlisting participants who submit their project. Okay, so the early you submit, the early the benefit you'll be getting. So how to complete the projects? You must be knowing. Okay, you must be thinking how to get the projects. So here, if you come to the master sheet, I have attached in the description box. I have cleared and made a master sheet for all the participants because most of you were asking, right? So here we have covered everything for you. For example, how to participate in this event. Most of you are new. So how to participate in Hindi and English, I have covered everything in detail. How to claim the credits for completing code labs, you require some credits. Okay, so how I'll be getting the credits and how I'll be just doing all the things. So for that also I have covered in the video. Now here are the code lab solutions if you want to understand about the code labs. Okay, you can do it. Now here comes the main theme, the challenge. Okay, that is project submission. So when you scroll down, you can see I have covered in the entire YouTube track 1 entire project submission from scratch. We'll be building together, and the PPT, how you have to make a PPT with a sample PPT I have shared in the video. You can watch it and understand how to create the project. And if you need for track 2 and track 3, if you're doing it for the first time, I'll suggest go with track 1 because it's the simplest project to complete. For track 2 and track 3, obviously track 3 requires more credits, and we get only I think $5 credits, but it requires around $30 to $35 credits. So I can make the video, but it won't be feasible for all of you, mostly because most of you may require to add your card for getting the additional credits because the team is not providing more credits. Means they are providing limited credits only, like $5 only, and we require $30. So you have to manage yourself. Okay, but still, if you want project submission for track 2, track 3 will cover that. But for being eligible for the swags for this particular challenge and for the certificates of the Gemini Academy APAC edition, you need to submit any one track project. Okay, there is no compulsion that you have to do all the submissions. So this is the main theme. You can watch these videos. I will share the link in the description. Everything is there in the channel. If you want to participate in other challenges, you can also check it out. And for the code labs also, we have covered each and everything in detail. Okay, most people were facing issue in finding the resources, so we have playlist also, but I thought it is the most convenient way for finding the resources. You can see in the master sheet, you can see everything in a single sheet, for code labs to the Google Skills Lab. One more important thing I want to share, that here in the Skills Lab, it is completely optional. Only the code lab, quizzes and project submission is compulsory. If you don't do, you won't be getting the swag certificates and be getting participants in the hackathon journey. So this is the important thing. And if you're facing issue on any of the lab, okay, mostly you're facing in this ADK lab where the agent is showing some error, 404 not found. It's the Google internal error, so you can avoid that lab for now. Okay. So thank you. Have a great day ahead. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Goodbye.